In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a custodial account on Fidelity. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. For this video, I'm using Google. Then all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and look up custodial account Fidelity. And all you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see the fidelity.com website. Then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. So the information that you will need is you will need your social security number as the custodian. You're also going to need the minor's social security number, a valid ID such as a driver's license or a passport, and basic information about the minor, such as their name, date of birth, and address. You will also need an initial funding amount, and Fidelity typically has no minimum for custodial account, but of course, sometimes they do update the requirements. Anyway, so here's how the website does look like, and over here is going to give you more information about the custodial account. So it is transferred to the minor at a certain age between 18 and 25, depending on the state. Friends and family can contribute, and a portion of earnings may be exempt from federal taxes. So that there is some pretty cool features. So select on open a custodial account, and then over here is where it's going to ask you. So if you, as the actual custodian, already has a Fidelity account, press on yes, and then you're able to go ahead and log in general make the process a little bit easier. But if it's your first time ever using Fidelity, do not worry, you're easily able to create an account on Fidelity. Thankfully, it is not too difficult, but in that instance, you will need to go ahead and press on no. Then you will need to go ahead and press on next. And of course, you will need to go ahead and create a Fidelity account for yourself. You'll need to include your first and last name, your social security number, your country of citizenship, and other information as well. But once you're done with that, you're able to go ahead and create a custodial account for the minor. You can select how to invest funds such as stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, money markets, etc. And you can also leave cash in the account initially. If you guys have any questions at any point in time, go ahead and select over here where it says customer service, and you're able to go ahead and talk to a person from Fidelity, but it should be pretty straightforward. This is the page where you want to go ahead and get started. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.